Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how I transform these two common household items, a phone charger and a coaxial splitter, into something truly useful and unexpected. You might think they don't belong together, but I'll show you how to combine them to create a powerful TV antenna that will give you crystal clear channels for free. I'm taking this standard phone charger. As you can see, it's just a regular charger, nothing special about it. I'm taking this old phone charger and I'm going to carefully open it up. I'm using a utility knife to pry the casing apart. My goal is to remove the internal circuit board, as we'll only be needing the outer plastic shell for our project today. Be gentle so you don't damage the casing, as we'll be reusing it. Now that it's open, I'm using a pair of pliers to remove the internal circuit board. With the circuit board removed, I'll snap the charger casing back together. Now, I'm going to drill a hole right through one end of the plastic casing. I'm using a conical drill bit because it allows for a clean, gradually widening hole, which is perfect for ensuring a snug fit for our next component. This hole is crucial for routing the wire that will connect to the antenna later. Next, I'm taking two insulated wires, one red and one white. These will be our crucial electrical connections. I want to attach these wires to the power pins of the charger. I used a drill to make a small hole between the two charging pins. Using my pliers, I'm stripping a little more insulation and separating the individual strands. This provides more surface area for a secure connection. I'll feed both the red and white wires through the newly drilled hole in the charger casing. It's important to connect these wires securely to the metal pins of the charger plug. I'm using my pliers to twist and secure the wires even more firmly onto the charger pins. It's important that these connections are solid and won't come loose during use. This ensures a strong mechanical connection and good electrical contact, which is vital for the antenna's performance. After twisting, I'm carefully trimming any excess wire from the inside. Now, on the other end of these wires, I'll strip the insulation to expose the copper again. These exposed ends will connect to the coaxial splitter. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I attached the coaxial splitter to the drilled lid of the charging case. I'm connecting the white wire from our charger casing to the input port of the cable splitter. This wire is essentially bridging the power from the charger pins to the splitter. I'm using pliers to twist the exposed wires around the screws and then tighten them firmly. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I connect the red wire to the center core of the coaxial splitter. A secure connection is essential for signal integrity and to ensure the antenna works efficiently. Once the wires are securely in place, I'll leave the wires inside the charger. Next, I'm taking a longer piece of black insulated wire. I'll carefully strip the outer insulation from both ends using my utility knife, exposing the inner conductor. This wire will become our antenna loop. To create an additional receiving element for better signal pickup, especially for lower frequencies, I'm wrapping the stripped black cable around an empty tin can to form a circular loop. This inductive loop enhances the antenna's overall performance. After forming the loop, I'm straightening the ends for easy connection. I'm now attaching both ends of the looped black cable to the input ports on the charger. This effectively creates a multi-element antenna system, capturing a wider range of signals and boosting overall reception. Again, I'm making sure these connections are tight and secure using my pliers. This loop is the actual antenna, and its connection to the splitter is where the magic happens. The splitter will then amplify and direct the captured signals. To keep our device stable and easy to use, I'm attaching the entire assembly, the charger and splitter, to a small wooden block using hot glue. This provides a solid base and protects the connections. I'll make sure everything is firmly in place by applying enough glue to secure both components. I'm preparing the main coaxial cable that will run from our antenna to the TV. I'm stripping one end of the cable and attaching a standard F connector. This is the connector type commonly used for antenna inputs on most televisions. To provide extra protection and prevent any accidental short circuits, I'm carefully wrapping the F connector with red electrical tape. This small step adds durability and ensures a long-lasting, reliable connection. At the other end of the coaxial cable, I'm attaching an L-shaped connector. This type of connector is incredibly useful, especially if your TV is mounted close to a wall, as it allows for a flush and tidy connection without bending the cable sharply. Finally, I'm connecting the newly prepared coaxial cable to the output of our DIY antenna assembly. With this last connection, Our homemade TV antenna system is now complete and ready for testing. As you can see on the TV, there's no signal currently. It's just a frustrating blank screen, indicating that it's not picking up any channels. I'm connecting our brand new DIY antenna to the TV, and just like that, we have crystal clear channels. Look at that picture quality. No more expensive cable bills. The reception is fantastic, and I can flip through channels with ease. This simple build is proving to be incredibly effective, bringing in a variety of broadcasts in high definition. It's amazing what you can create with a few spare parts. Just look at these channels coming in perfectly clear. This project was a huge success, providing free TV with great picture quality. To truly highlight its effectiveness, I'm going to disconnect the antenna. And as you can see, the signal is immediately lost. It instantly reverts to no signal. But when I plug it back in, boom, instant channels again. This simple DIY antenna really works wonders. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends who are tired of cable bills, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this amazing project. And of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more incredible DIY tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.